In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on smart features in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Gmail website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your inbox. If smart features are currently turned off, you may notice a notification at the top of your inbox prompting you to turn on smart features and personalization in Gmail, Chat, and Meet. You can click that prompt directly to enable it. Alternatively, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open the settings, then click See All Settings to access the full settings page. Stay on the General tab and scroll down until you find the Smart Features and Personalization section. Here, check the box for Turn on Smart Features in Gmail, Chat, and Meet. After enabling it, a pop-up will appear asking you to reload the page. Click Reload to apply the changes. Once the page refreshes, go back into Settings again by clicking the gear icon and selecting See All Settings. Scroll down again to the same section. Now click on Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. This will open a pop-up window where you can control additional smart feature options. In this window, toggle on Smart Features in Google Workspace, then click Save to continue. Turning on smart features allows Gmail to use your email content and activity to enable tools like Smart Compose, Smart Reply, reminders, and AI-powered suggestions. This makes your email experience faster, more efficient, and more personalized. The Workspace Smart Feature settings also give you control over how these features apply across Gmail, Chat, Meet, and other Google apps, so you can manage everything in one place. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.